right here is van life. So as you can see, it is quite rainy today. It's a little chilly, so I'm actually curled up in my blanket right now. Luckily, we're at a campsite, so there is a hot showers, which is, it's really coming in strong this morning. So I had a hot shower, currently drinking some coffee and going through my van morning routine. I thought I would bring you guys along with me. Whenever I travel, I find my skin always gets really dry, so I like to bring a good hand cream with me. So I'm really excited to announce that today's vlog is actually sponsored by Glysomed, which this cream is absolutely amazing, you guys. I really don't like to go on trips anymore without it. And what's actually unique about this product is that it has ingredients that really penetrates the skin to get it hydrated and stay that way. The glycerin softens and moisturizes, and then the silicone protects and locks in the moisture, along with the herbal extracts such as chamomile that actually soothes the skin. So I'll always apply this in the morning right after getting out of the shower, and then at night as well before getting into bed, and it just makes me wake up feeling a heck of a lot better. So now that I'm all done my morning routine, we're actually getting kicked out of our campsite right now as well. Someone just came by and told us to beat it. We're gonna do that, and I think maybe go get some lunch at, can you guess, where is a popular place to go in Tofino for lunch? Drum roll please, Tacofino. I feel like put this in a bag. So wet. I feel like I showered for nothing.
We've overstayed our welcome at the campsite, and the campsite people are like stalking us, waiting for us to leave, so.
But this weather is very typical British Columbia weather. Honestly, we have this from like September to April.
Also, a key thing when camping is bringing dry bags. Why did we even shower?
All right, so now we're gonna take apart the van, get ready to drive in it. So we're gonna take this bed and turn it back into a car. All right, this is a bit of a hack job, but we did it.
It's outside.
Wait, which ones? We could put them right in the back, maybe. You guys. All right, guys, that was a bit hectic, but it was a success. Saying goodbye to Bella Pacifica Campground.
Why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's time.
Hi, this is Tacofino and Tofino.
3 fish tacos. And then 1 gringa.
You guys, Robin and I hacked the system. We ended up calling in to order so we could sit and wait in our car, and then just went and got the food. I just tried the most amazing thing I have ever had in my life. I'm also obsessed with cheese, so it makes sense. It's basically like this like cheese taco thing.
I love how the cheese gets like crispy on the outside of it's like quesadilla kind of like it gets crispy on the outside. So clutch.
I can't believe I've never had Tacofino before. Highly recommend if you come to Tofino, come to Tacofino. It's so good. So we've just arrived here at Long Beach, as you can probably hear. It is still raining quite a bit, but since it's our last day, I wanted to come check out another beach here because Tofino is known for their beaches and surfing. I don't think we're gonna see any surfers. You never know. Apparently there's really big waves today, so let's check it out. You guys, it's really windy! For camera.
Got me stone cold.
This isn't okay. So good. It was very overwhelming. It was exhilarating, don't get me wrong. Wow, I'm gonna need to change. So the nice part about living in your car is you actually have all of your clothes with you. So I just hopped in the back, changed, got on some warm pants and a dry sweater. But yeah, as wet as that was, it was honestly worth it. And I really feel like it was just like, woke me up completely. I was feeling a bit tired and I just feel alive now. So yeah, we're gonna continue exploring today. Go see what we can find. I'm coming on up. Good thing I am flexible.
That's the sort of stuff that just makes you feel alive.
Feel a lot better, a lot more dry. I'm actually gonna be using more, which I actually love for days like this because you can just keep applying it throughout the day. They also have 2 sizes, which I love. I have obviously the big size, and then I have the small mini size. That's perfect if you want to just like throw in your purse or anything like that. So I'll just apply a little bit there. But I think we're gonna drive now and go and maybe find a coffee spot or something like that, somewhere indoors. We're gonna take a break from the outdoors for a little tiny bit now that we're all dry, and keep exploring. We're currently driving through, and there's all these waterfalls all coming down the side of the mountain. A little crazy. And there's the cliff. quick pit stop, got some gas, got some snacks, and we are actually on our way right now back to Nanaimo because we actually have a ferry to catch tonight, but not till 10 o'clock at night, which is quite late, so we have a whole bunch of time to kind of continue exploring. We're also going through a town called Coombs, which we went through on the way to Tofino, and it's the coolest little town ever. There's a building that has goats on the roof. There's a grass roof and the goats live on the roof of this building, so we might actually stop by that store again. Fingers crossed the goats are out so we can see them again. We have officially made it to Coombs, and I have some excellent news. The goats are on the roof. I can't explain this, I'm just gonna show you. You guys have no idea how happy I am to see them once again before leaving because they're so cute. They're just chilling and they're hanging out under the little awning thing so they don't get wet. So we've just come into the store that the goats on the roof are above us, and they have a whole bunch of really good treats, so I had to get something. Alright guys, we're gonna try it out. Look at that sucker. That's so good. Honestly, peanut butter is my weakness. And the sun has gone down. We've officially arrived at the ferry. So we are going from Nanaimo over to Vancouver in about an hour. We actually ended up getting on the earlier ferry, which was super nice. So with that, I am going to end off the vlog. And also huge thank you to Glysomed for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna leave all the details for this down below if you guys wanna pick some up for your next trip as well, because it comes in super handy, especially in weather conditions like this. So make sure to subscribe if you guys haven't done so already, and I will leave the rest of the vlogs from Robin and I's van life series linked down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
'Cause the problem is I love you.